In this video, I will help you find the best camera for beginners in 2023. Links to all the products we mentioned in this video will be listed in the description. Let's get started. Number 5. Canon EOS R100, best for overall beginners. I highly recommend considering the Canon EOS R100 as the top choice for overall beginners. This mirrorless camera offers a 24.1 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor, providing excellent image quality. The advanced autofocus and shooting modes make it easy for beginners to capture stunning shots. The compact body and kit lens make it portable and convenient for everyday use. The Canon EOS R100 is designed with beginners in mind. It features a user-friendly interface, making it easy to navigate and understand the camera settings. The camera also offers automatic modes for those who are just starting out and manual controls for those who want to take more control over their photography. One of the standout features of the Canon EOS R100 is its impressive video capabilities. It can record 4K video, allowing beginners to explore videography as well. The camera also has a fully articulating touchscreen display, making it easier to frame shots and navigate menus. In terms of price, the Canon EOS R100 provides great value for the features it offers. It's a more affordable option compared to higher-end cameras, making it accessible to beginners on a budget. Number 4. Olympus OMD EM10 Mark IV, best for features. Continuing the discussion from the previous subtopic, let's now explore the Olympus OMD EM10 Mark IV, which stands out as the best option for beginners due to its impressive features. This Olympus Mark IV is a mirrorless camera that offers a 20.3 megapixel Micro Four Thirds sensor, providing excellent image quality. One standout feature of this camera is its 180-degree tilting touchscreen, which allows for easy framing and shooting from various angles, making it ideal for beginners who want to experiment with different compositions. Additionally, the compact yet capable sensor ensures that the camera is lightweight and easy to carry around, perfect for those who are just starting out in photography. Another notable feature of the Olympus OMD EM10 Mark IV is its 5-axis in-body stabilization, which helps reduce camera shake and ensures sharp images even when shooting handheld or in low-light conditions. This feature is particularly beneficial for beginners who may not have steady hands or a lot of experience with camera stabilization techniques. In terms of usability, the Olympus OMD EM10 Mark IV provides a user-friendly interface with intuitive controls, making it easy for beginners to navigate and adjust settings. It also offers a range of shooting modes, including automatic modes, for those who prefer a more hands-off approach, and manual modes for those who want to take full control over their photography. Number 3. Nikon ZFC, best for style. Moving forward with our exploration of beginner cameras, let's now delve into the Nikon ZFC, which stands out for its stylish design. The Nikon ZFC is a mirrorless camera that combines modern technology with a retro-styled body, reminiscent of Nikon's classic film cameras. This camera not only captures stunning images but also makes a fashion statement. The Nikon ZFC features a 20.9 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor, which delivers excellent image quality with rich colors and fine details. It also has a versatile ISO range of 100 to 51,200s, allowing for impressive low-light performance. With its lightweight and compact body, the ZFC is perfect for on-the-go photography, making it an ideal companion for both beginners and enthusiasts. The camera's design is where it truly shines. The Nikon ZFC boasts a vintage aesthetic, complete with mechanical dials and knobs on the top plate, reminiscent of classic film cameras. This not only adds to its charm, but also provides a tactile and intuitive shooting experience. The ZFC is available in multiple colors, including black, silver, and white, allowing users to choose a style that suits their personal taste. In terms of functionality, the Nikon ZFC offers a range of features that cater to beginners. It has a 3.0-inch tilting touchscreen, making it easy to frame shots from various angles. The camera also supports 4K video recording, allowing users to capture high-quality videos. Additionally, it has built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, enabling seamless sharing and remote control using a smartphone. Number 2. Canon EOS Rebel SL3 EOS 250D, best DSLR for beginners. Discussing the best DSLR for beginners, the Canon EOS Rebel SL3 stands out as an exceptional choice. This compact and lightweight camera packs a punch with its 24.1 megapixel APS-C sensor, fully articulating touchscreen display, and impressive 4K video capability. It offers a range of features and functions that make it easy for beginners to capture stunning photos and videos. One of the standout features of the Canon EOS Rebel SL3 is its fully articulating touchscreen display. This allows beginners to easily compose their shots from different angles and navigate through the camera's menu with ease. The touchscreen also makes it simple to select focus points, adjust settings, and review images. In terms of image quality, the 24.1 megapixel APS-C sensor delivers sharp and detailed photographs. The camera's Digic 8 image processor ensures fast and accurate image processing, resulting in vibrant and true-to-life colors. Additionally, the camera's wide ISO range of 100 to 25,600 allows for great low-light performance, enabling beginners to capture high-quality images in various lighting conditions. Another notable feature of the Canon EOS Rebel SL3 is its 4K video capability. This allows beginners to capture stunning and detailed video with exceptional clarity. The camera also offers a variety of video shooting modes, including slow motion and time-lapse, to add creativity to their videos. Number 1. Ricoh GR3X, best compact camera for beginners. The standout choice for beginners seeking a compact camera is the Ricoh GR3X. With its impressive features and compact design, it offers a great starting point for those new to photography. The GR3X boasts a 24.2 megapixel APS-C sensor, ensuring excellent image quality and detail in your photos. The 26.1mm lens provides a versatile focal length, allowing you to capture a wide range of subjects with ease. One of the key advantages of the GR3X is its compact size. It easily fits into your pocket or bag, making it convenient to carry around and always have on hand for capturing those unexpected moments. Despite its small size, it doesn't compromise on performance. The GR3X offers manual controls, allowing you to take control of your photography and experiment. With different settings, this is a crucial aspect for beginners who want to learn and grow their skills. Another notable feature of the GR3X is its built-in image stabilization, which helps reduce camera shake and produce sharp images even in low-light situations. This is particularly beneficial for beginners who may not yet have a steady hand or tripod. In terms of usability, the GR3X has a user-friendly interface that makes it easy to navigate and understand. Its intuitive controls and menu system ensure a smooth learning curve for beginners. And with that being said, we reached the bottom of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Peace out.